welcome to today's video. This is another basic level phonics lesson, and today we're going to be learning the sounds for EA and A. But first, let's review some of the sounds from the previous lesson. Go ahead and read the sounds, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
A, E, O, I, ooh, aw, R.
Right, now listen and write down the sounds that you hear, and then restart the video. I'll play the video again, and then you can check your answers.
O, I, R, E, A, aw, ooh, O, I, R, E, A, aw, ooh.
All right, now practice sounding out these words, and then read the words, and then restart the video to listen and check.
Aw, hawk, o, ooh, flew, o, ooh, bloom, g, d, good, k, aw, t, caught, j, ooh, s, juice.
All right, now we're going to learn the EA sound. Please listen and then repeat.
E, 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 team.
And now here is a second sound for EA. Listen and repeat.
Eh, eh, eh. Head. D, eh, d, dead. B, eh, d, bread.
Right, now practice sounding out these words, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
Eh, d, red. Eh, d, head. O, eh, d, lead. B, eh, breath, eh, th, feather, s, eh, d, spread,
All right, now we'll listen and repeat to this A sound.
ah, 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 cat,
Here's a second A sound.
ah, 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 wash, w, ah, n, d, wand, s, qu, ah, sh, squash.
All right, now practice sounding out these words, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
W, ah, n, t, want, w, ah, ch, watch, s, w, ah, m, swamp, w, ah, t, water, s, qu, ah, t, squat, qu, ah, d, quad, b, e, k, f, s, t, breakfast, s, qu, ah, t, s, squats, w, ah, sh, wash, w, ah, f, o, waffle, m, e, n, t, men, w, ah, ch, watch, s, w, ah, m, p, swamp, w, ah, n, d, d, wandered, e, d, e, ready, b, e, d, bread, I, n, s, t, e, d, instead, O, E, T, leapt.
All right, now listen, write the words, and then I'll play it a second time and fill in the correct answers.
Swamp. Ready. Waffle. Wash. Watch. Leapt. Swamp. Ready. Waffle. Wash. Watch. Leapt.
All right, now let's review these sight words.
Heart. Two. Couch.
All right, now practice reading these sentences.
After breakfast, Sam squats by the stream to wash the waffle from his shirt. The heavy rain meant they had to watch the water rise in the swamp. Josh wanted to eat waffles for breakfast. He leapt from his couch, wandered to the kitchen, and got ready to cook. But when he looked in the fridge, he just saw water and bread. His heart sank. No eggs, no milk. It is a healthy breakfast instead.
All right, now practice reading the entire story, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
Josh wanted to eat waffles for breakfast. He leapt from his couch, wandered to the kitchen, and got ready to cook. But when he looked in the fridge, he just saw water and bread. His heart sank. No eggs, no milk. It is a healthy breakfast instead.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.